This question is I need to remove a zero sum consecutive node from linked list. You can see one input and output given. I'll explain you the approach how we solve this question with proper diagram. First we'll create a dummy node with value 0. Next dummy node next will be initialized to head node. Second point is I will take one current node and current node will traverse the list till it reach to the end of the list. So initially current node will be initialized to dummy node. So next I'll create one hash map. Name is prefix sum map. It will store prefix sum as key and list node as value. Current node pointer will traverse the whole list, so I am taking one while loop and condition is while current node not equals to null, it will move to next node based on our another condition. I will explain that one. Now calculate prefix sum. So now current node is 0, so prefix sum is 0. So now I will check if prefix sum present in map or not. If it is not present, then I will store the key and value into map. Next, at the end we will move our current node to next node. That means now our current node is 1. Again it will check current node is not null. Yes, it is not null. Then calculate prefix sum. Now current node is 1. So prefix sum is, before prefix sum was 0. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Now prefix sum is 1. Now again it will check prefix sum key is present in map or not. It is not present. So we will store key and value into map. So key is prefix sum and value is current node. We are storing. So after storing key and value, at the end we will move our current node to next node. That means now our current node is 2. Again it will check current node is not null. Yes, it is not null. Then calculate prefix sum. Before prefix sum value was 1 and current node value now is 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So prefix sum value is now 3. Now it will check prefix sum key is present in map or not. So this key is not present in map. So we will store key and value. Key is 3 and value mean current node is 2. That we will store. After storing that, we will move our current node to next node. So now current node is -3. Again it will check current node is null or not. Yes, it is not null. Calculate prefix sum. For prefix sum was 3 and now current node is -3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So now prefix sum is 0. Again it will check that prefix sum is already present in map or not. Yes, it is already present in map. Here what I will do, I will remove all that entry in between and from list I will ignore all those nodes in between. So how we can do this, I will explain here now. So our current node is -3 and prefix sum is 0 and 0 key is already present in map. So we need to ignore all the node in between getting prefix sum 0. So for this I will search the prefix sum node value from map. Next I will initialize current node to next node of prefix sum node. So my current node is now 1. Now I will take some variable to get the sum for those node I am going to skip. So calculate sum prefix sum plus current node value. Sum is now 0 and current node value is now 1. So now sum is 1. Now taking one more while loop, while sum not equals to prefix sum, when this condition will be true, we'll give our next condition that will be executed. So when sum and prefix sum is not same, we are going to remove this entry from map. Next, we are moving our current node to next node. That means current node now is 2. So calculate sum value. Sum plus current node value. Before sum value was 1. Now current node value is 2. So 1 plus 2 3. So sum is now 3. Again it will check sum and prefix sum is not same. Yes, it is not same. So we will remove next entry from map. Next entry having key is 3. We are removing this entry. We are moving our current node to next node. That means current node now is -3. Sum is, before it was -3, now plus current node value. Mean 3 minus 3 0. Now sum is 0. So again it will check sum and prefix sum is same or not. Yes, it is same. So condition is false. Our while loop will not run. At the end, get the prefix sum node from mapping. Next, this prefix sum node next will point to current node next. You can see how we skipped all these node in between where we'll get the sum as prefix sum value. At the end, we are moving our current node to next node. So our current node is now 3. Same thing again, current node is not null. So we'll calculate our prefix sum. Prefix sum was 0. Now current node is 3. So 0 plus 3. Now prefix sum is 3. 3 is present in map? No, it is not present. So we will again put all those entry. Main prefix sum as key and current node as value. Next, we will move our current node to next node. So now current node is 1. So again it will check current node is not null. Yes, it is not null. So it will check prefix sum. Prefix sum before it was 3 and current node is now 1. So 3 plus 1 4. So prefix sum is 4. So is there any entry with 4? No. So in map we don't have any entry, so we are putting key as prefix sum and value as current node 1. At the end, we are moving our current node to next node. So our current node is null. So our while loop will not run. At the end, we will return dummy next node. That means it will return 3 barn null. So coming to the solution. Okay, so here is coding part. Taking creating one dummy node. Type is list node. Value we are keeping 0. Taking one more node, that is current node. Initialize to dummy. Next dummy next is initialized to head node. Now taking one variable prefix sum, that will sum all the prefix node. Taking one map, integer, key is integer type and value is list node type. Now one while loop. It will check current node is not null. And it will move current node to next node based on our condition. I'll put all the details later. Now at the end we will return dummy next node. That means we are avoiding that extra node 0. So it will check. Before checking, we'll calculate prefix sum value. So prefix sum will be prefix sum plus current node value. If this prefix sum key is present in map already, it will check. I'll write later. Else, if key is not present in map, we are putting key and value into map. So now, if key is already present in map, I will initialize my current node to where I am getting prefix node value on that node to next node. Now I am taking one sum. It will sum prefix sum and current node value. So it will check sum value and prefix sum value is same or not. While this condition will be true, it will run. I'll update sum to sum plus current node value. So if sum and prefix sum value is not same, then we'll remove entry where key is sum and current node will be next node of current node. Now when sum and prefix sum will be same, I will get the node where prefix sum value is there, and that node next will point to current node next. Now run. Okay, H is missing. Now we can rerun again. Yeah, it is accepted all the code. Now I can submit. So you can see the details of this code. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.